Hi guys, our project name is Car Service Center Management System, presented by Anita Matsagar, Sarla Sathe, Sonam Mapari and Pratiksha Sawant, Department of Computer Engineering. Firstly, introduction. Car Service Center Management System is to be developed for maintaining the service center activities like car maintenance, car service, spare part, sales. This system is efficient, generating reports which help in the maintenance of the service center easily. It can also manage repairing car, maintenance of car, sales part of car. This project is very helpful to customer and service center to maintain information regarding to car maintenance and generate report. Car Service Center Management System has secured access to admin. It is a smart web UI which could assist the garage owners to keep track of all the events in the garage. System analysis, in which we will discuss 3 points. First, existing system. Second, proposed system. And third, objective of the system. First, existing system. Existing system is a manual one in which users are maintaining books to store the information like product details, distributors details, purchase sales details and accounts for every month. It is very difficult to maintain historical data. The following are the some disadvantages of the existing system. First, it is difficult to maintain important information in books. Second, more manual hours need to generate required reports. Second point in system analysis is proposed system. The car service center management system avoids more manual hours that need to spend in record keeping and generating reports. This application keeps the data in a centralized way, which is available to all the users simultaneously. It is very easy to manage historical data in database. This is the objective of the proposed system. The third point in system analysis objective of the system. The objective of the car service is to provide better information for the users of this system for better results for their maintenance in the product details, that is sales, purchases and stock service charge detail. This is the main objective of our car service center management system.
So next topic, system model. Project contain three models, namely service online booking, record history of booking, record of preview work of user. Service online booking for the online booking for the services. Go on website www.samarthaautomobile.co.in. On the landing page, register now button is available. After a click on this registration form will pop up. User has to enter all fields and click on submit button. We will get another pop up with successful registration, and as well as admin will get an email with all details of the user. Next topic, system model. Record history of booking. The all registered user data and all records stored in the database, and we can see these all details after a click on the inquiries button on home page. Record of preview work of user. On the history page, load free the API call to server side to selected all data from the table. Next topic, system specifications. Hardware requirements. Intel Xeon Family 2.5 GHz processor, 1 GB RAM, hard disk 10 GB. Software requirements. Operating system Windows, Linux, web browser, all browser support. So next topic, technology used. Programming language JavaScript. Web technology Node.js, front end Angular 8. Backend MySQL Node.js. In this system, we are using the Angular 8 for the front end. Angular 8 is a client-side TypeScript based framework which is used to create dynamic web application. TypeScript is the superset of JavaScript, and JavaScript is the programming language of HTML and web. And about Node.js, Node.js is an open source server environment. Node.js allow you to run JavaScript on the server. We are using the Node.js as server-side technology. From the Angular services, we are calling the API of the Node.js, and Node.js will connect to the database MySQL and gives the data as response to user. MySQL is a freely available open source relational database management system RDBMS that use structured query language. SQL is the most popular language for adding, accessing, and managing content in the database. It is most noted for its quick processing, proven reliability, easy and flexibility of use. So next topic, website GUI. This is the GUI of our website landing page. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. It means user will interact with this to achieve response like click on registration button will pop up the form. Inquiries button will show the record of the inquiries. In services section, owner of this business is provides these all services for customer. Read all label from image, read all from about section. Just read all advantages as it is.
Advantages: online service booking. You can check the booking service guide, make an appropriate for service by phone or by the mail. Second, all data records save on server. Third, quick email notification. If you customize your email notification, you can quick receive the email notification. Fourth, easy to find work history of customer. Now that you know the basics of how to write the work history section of your keep your work history simply and easy to read. So from this module, we learn that how to present the results and make analysis of car service management system. Conclusion: in this way, we are going to developing a web-based application to maintain car services related information. This system based on web application development which is dealing with all the activities associated with garage. And any question regarding in the comment section, do comment on your project what you think about it. Any queries, so let us know. Please share and like. Thank you for watching video.